Hey guys, welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to enable RCS on iPhone. So guys, first, if you don't know, RCS is called Rich Communication Services. So to do that, you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now, over here on the settings, just simply go for the apps. And here on the apps, just simply go ahead and go for the messages application, or you could utilize the search bar at the top if you don't see the messages. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the text messaging section. And guys, as of now, I don't have the RCS messaging since it's not compatible with my cellular carrier. So if you do, you should be able to turn it on and off over here, RCS messaging. Now, once you have turned it on, remember to use RCS, your iPhone must be updated to iOS 18 and your cellular carrier must support it, guys. And if you don't see the RCS option, you may need to contact your wireless provider in order for you to proceed with this process. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.